Today, we are addressing a common question. Why does weight loss or aging sometimes leave the face looking tired or older even when the rest of body looks healthy? What are facial fat pads? Facial fat pads are pockets of fats that provide critical support to our facial framework. They help give the cheek, the area underneath the eye, and also the jawline, their shapes, and the youthful fullness. They move with expressions and offer a natural contour that maintain the facial harmony. How aging and weight loss affect the fat pads? Changes can occur in several ways. Number 1, shrinking of the fat pads. So some mid-face fat pads shrink, creating hollowness in the cheek and the underlying eyes, which give rise to prominent tear trough and the prominent Indian line. Secondly, aging also can lead to enlargement of the fat pads. Other fat pads may accumulate more fats, which can create heaviness in the mid-face and also in the lower face, like the nasolabial fold and also the buccal fat heaviness at the lower part of the face. Thirdly, it can lead to ptosis, which is downward shift of the volume of the mid and the lower face due to volume loss of fat pad in the mid-face. So some fat pads shift downwards, contributing to sagginess and the appearance of the jowl. Collectively, these changes can make the face look depleted or tired or fatigued, even if your body looks firm and tight. Imagine the face as a layered sculpture with soft cushions tucked in just beneath the surface and deeper support that shape the overall form. First, the superficial fat pads. They sit right under the dermis, mostly in the cheek and under the eyes. They give the mid-face its gentle and help create a seamless lift from the high cheek down towards the lower face. So they act like a soft cushions that move with our expressions while we smile, frown, and every twist of the face, which will help protect the muscle and the structure beneath. As time passes or after weight changes, these fat pads can shrink or deflate. The result is hollowing in the cheek and under the eye, a loss of that smooth, rounded contour. Now let's talk about the deep facial fat pads, including the deep malar cheek fat pad and other deep pockets around the jawlines. They form the foundations of the mid-face projections and contour, anchoring and supporting the muscle and soft tissues above. So these deeper cushionings help shape a more defined jawline and a pyramid-like structure to the lower face. As we age, these fat pads can swell and descend, contributing to a heavier, fuller lower face and jowling. The key idea for aesthetic and aging for the fat pads. The goal of rejuvenation is to hit the balance between the superficial, the upper face compartment, and the deep, lower mid-face compartment. Restoring or lifting superficial fat can bring youth, fullness, and a gentle uplift. Reducing or repositioning excess deep fat in the lower face can lessen heaviness and sagging. A balanced approach to rejuvenations. A thoughtful rebalancing plan typically involves replenishing volume, where it's diminished in the upper face to restore lift and brightness. Addressing excess fullness in the lower face, either through precise reductions, repositioning, or targeted treatments. When performed with an understanding of anatomy and natural aesthetic, results look organic, accentuating your natural beauty rather than creating an overfilled appearance. These are some of the natural practical tips for preservations of youth for the fat pads. Non-surgical considerations are adequate sleep, exercise, hydration, sun protections, and a protein-rich diet support skin and facial tissue. Skincare and sun protections won't rebuild fat pads, but they support overall facial health and appearance. I will discuss about the treatment options for restorations of facial fat pads in the next sessions. If you are exploring options, seek a clinician who specializes in facial anatomy and has evidence-based method for assessing fat pad balance.